What's up, Rockstars? Welcome to Right Now at Rockstar Garage. And right now at Rockstar Garage, we have an awesome AP2 NFR S2000. It is the version 1, 0405 with the cable throttle S2000. Some people think it's the better one. It's got some cool NK wheels. It's got an awesome medallion exhaust. But as you always know, we don't always go from stock to aftermarket. Sometimes we start at the aftermarket and go to even the after furthest market. From a medallion exhaust all the way to an HKS single 75mm 3-inch system. Now it's a full 3-inch single exit system, 75mm, perfect for forced induction. It's the quietest out of all the 3-inch exhausts and arguably has the best tone. Perfect for NA, perfect for forced induction, priced incredibly well, and it's a beautiful looking system. Next up, we're going from a set of D2 coilovers all the way up to the top tier field suspension Rockstar Garage Spec custom coilovers. These Rockstar Garage Spec coilovers have a 12K, 10K front and rear spec, and they're also valved specifically for our specification for the S2000. Huge upgrade. Probably gonna be the best coilover for your S2000 or any application. Fuel suspension has got you covered. Last but certainly not least, we're going from the stock header all the way to the JDM Bling Goodness J's Racing header. It's a 4-2-1 header, large primaries, incredibly awesome design, beautiful fit and finish, great fitment, one of the only known headers to make power on the S2000. Stay tuned, we're gonna do a lot more of these videos, tell you what's going on here right now at Rockstar Garage. As always, we have all this stuff in stock. Hit me up, hit us up, slide in, we got you covered. We'll take care of you.
Tell you what, when you're not working at Harry's, you're working here. If you can't find the right tool in this garage, Mr. Arizona, you don't belong near a car.